Welcome. We're gonna play with the light as the sun goes down here, and we're going to just appreciate the beauty of this moment and the imperfection that it brings. This is a guided meditation for entrepreneurs who've had a busy day to help them to unwind. So if you're here, then that's you. So let's begin by just finding a space somewhere comfortable in your home or in your office. Maybe you're even in your car before you leave your wherever you work. Just find a space that you feel you can just take a moment to unwind. Settle into that spot. Take a deep breath in through the nose and let it out through the mouth. As you take the breath in, count to 4, holding the air inside your lungs and inside your body, and then releasing. So breathe in through your nose. 1, 2, 3, 4. Releasing it out through your mouth. Just taking a moment to reset your nervous system. Close your eyes. You can shut out the world and just live within your body for a moment. Become aware of your surroundings and the sound of maybe the wind around you, or maybe there's people off in the distance. And just appreciate and understand that the world's still moving around you. It's still going, but you're taking a moment for you. You've sent all the messages you need to send. You've emailed all the people you need to email. Everyone can wait. Everything can wait because you, in this moment, are the only thing that we're going to focus on. You and your breath and calming your nervous system. Taking some quiet moments. As you reflect upon your day, you can think about your morning routine. Maybe you got up and had coffee and journaled. Maybe you went and exercised at a gym or for a walk. You met with different people over Zoom or in person all throughout the day. You were helping others all throughout the day. And now it's some time for you to just breathe. Know that you've done everything that you can to provide well for your business, for the people you work with. And now it's time to spend some time with your loved ones, to go to dinner, or maybe to make dinner at home, to spend some time on the couch guilt-free because you deserve it. You deserve to take some time to just relax. Maybe you have a favorite TV show. Maybe you have a favorite book you're going to cuddle up and read. Children or pets to go and welcome. Everything that you've done all day long is so that you can have these moments with your loved ones and even with yourself, taking time to just relax and be. If you can take a walk and get outside, even if it's cold, even if it's raining, to connect with the earth, to watch the sunset, even if it's dark already, go look at the stars and the moon. Life is more than just work. It's also just these moments of connecting with yourself, feeling the oxygen come into your lungs, go into your heart, oxygenating your blood. Your blood is your life force. And that oxygenated blood going through your heart, pumping down your left arm, back up your left arm, down your torso, down your left leg, and back up your left leg. Cycling over to your right leg, down and back up. Moving up your torso, up to your right arm, cycling down to your fingertips and back up. Coming back to your lungs to be oxygenated. Breathing in the life force. Picturing nothing but good, positive energy. You can even imagine positive energy coming in through your mind, through your head, through the top of your body, coming down into your heart, swirling around, just positive sun-filled energy, swirling around your heart, going out your arms and through your fingertips, shining down into your body, down into your legs and out your toes, filling your entire body with sunshine and positive feelings. And if you're feeling any resistance, feeling like this is a little too woo, just lean into it. Let it be an okay feeling to feel positive energy. Our world is filled with so much go, go, go energy. And this is the moment you get to just bask. Just like on a vacation, sitting in a hammock on the beach in the sunshine. Bask in the glory of the moment that is now, that your work is done, and that you get to just be. Take a few more deep breaths in and let them out. As you go into the rest of your evening, know that you can separate yourself from the day and be whoever you choose to be in your off time. Be silly, be free, be positive. And sometimes it's okay to be sad and to be just relaxed. You don't always have to be up, but just give yourself permission to be free. And as you come into your body again, coming into the now, start to open your eyes, wiggle your fingers, wiggle your toes, move your head, stretching your neck, maybe doing some circles. Looking to the right, looking to the left, rolling your shoulders back. Oh, it can feel so good when you've been hunched over a computer all day, just rolling your shoulders back, twisting your torso, giving your spine a good twist, moving your legs and your feet and just moving into your body. Another deep breath in and out. Take this calm feeling into the rest of your evening. and just let this positive feeling bask over you. Things will come up, things might frustrate you, maybe traffic gets crazy, but just remember to try to come back to this feeling, ground yourself, and keep trying to come back to this as much as you can, as often as you can. Start your day with a practice and end your day with a practice. Anytime there's frustrations throughout the day, you can choose. You can choose another path. You can choose to listen to calm music, to take a quick break and watch a video like this. You can choose to go outside and take some deep breaths of air. It's your life. It's your choices. You get to choose how you feel. Life will keep giving you new things, new challenges, but you get to overcome those challenges and you get to ground yourself and find your way through them. Take some more deep breaths in. Thank you for taking this time to connect with yourself. If you enjoyed this, give me a like. Let me know down below any comments you might have. But thank you. Thank you for your time, your life force, your energy, and namaste.